Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode of Awareness Program. And the title says, How to Make 500% in 2 months. And my simple, straightforward answer is no, not possible. Of course, I'll give you the details later. And this video, the title is clearly a clickbait title. And if you think that you can make, so this video is for you. The first thing is that I do receive lots and lots of messages, mails by saying that, sir, I lost 25 lakh, I lost 50 lakh, I lost 7 lakh. There are people who are losing money in stock market like anything. Just now I received one mail, I'm just showing that. And here there is this guy, 14.7 lakhs is my capital. Now I have only 7.7 lakhs remaining. He was asking me whether I can help him to recover the money. So I always say for every one successful person in stock market, there are hundreds and hundreds of failures people are there. So here why people believe that they can make ultra high return? That's because in social media, the people are coming and posting messages. I made 500% return in 2 months. I made 200% return in 1 month. I made 10,000% in 2 years. But the greed in your mind makes you to believe those people. If you are not greedy, then you will not believe all these people. Ultra high return. Recently, I saw one guy. He was saying, in 1 month he made 300% return. In 40 days, he has made 400% return. Now, then the question comes, sir, to whom we have to believe? And first thing is that if you want to believe somebody, you just see the reputation of the people. I like one person in this field. That is Nitin Kamath, who is the promoter of Zerodha. Now let us look at what Zerodha promoter says. Option buying, the riskiest trade out there. So if you get a chance, you go and read this one. This is a very big article. And the link for this article is given in the description. And I want to highlight one small portion of what he has discussed. Back in 2009, when I was a sub-broker with Reliance Money, one of our customers went all in before the Indian general election results in May 2009 by buying deep out of the money call options with all the money he had. He got super lucky as Nifty went up 40% in 2 days, and this 2 lakh turned into 2 crores. 2 lakh turned into 2 crores in 2 days. What is a percentage return? But the story did not end there. He continued to trade super aggressively and ended up losing not only the just entire 2 crore, but more than his initial capital over the 6 months. And I always say, just for fun, if any option seller come to me and tell me, sir, I lost money, then I used to tell, be happy you lost the money. Just imagine a casino owner tweaking all the machines of the casino so that gambler always lose. Tell me how long the casino can run. Maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. Every gambler comes in, he finds that he is losing every time. And they will stop coming. Your business has to be closed. Once in a while, the gambler will have to win. And that winning only motivates him to come and lose again and again. That is what exactly Nitin Kamath's story tells us. A guy with a capital of 2 lakh, he made 2 crore. What you should have done? You should have got out of the stock market. But he continued to trade in next 6 months, everything is gone. And another joke, this was a scene in a James Bond movie. A casino will be there. The MD of the casino will be enjoying with the 2 ladies. And that time, James Bond will come and to meet that MD. So what he will do? He will just take 2 stacks of notes and we'll give 1 stack of note to each lady. We'll tell them to walk away. And those 2 ladies will be happily taking the money, will be walking out of the room. And that time, the casino owner will tell the assistant, make sure that both these ladies lose all the money in the casino before they go for the home. So, there are people, good people around you. And you have to find out who are those good people. And I always tell, the government tell the people don't smoke. But who is the biggest loser? Government. Because if the people stop smoking, they won't get the taxes. And Nitin Kamath, He is the CEO of the largest broking company in India. He talks against the people who are making ultra high profits. And then if he tells people, no, don't be greedy, don't trade, then people stop trading, then he is going to lose the maximum because he is the one having the largest customer. Then me, I'm an option seller. And if I tell, no, don't be greedy, don't trade, then if the buyers are out of the market, then where I am going to make money? I'm making money out of buyers only, right? So, though the end result will go against us, and we still want the people. So, you must know very, very clearly who are the good people around you, who are the bad people around you. And then, does it mean that nobody can make money? Not necessary. Some people out of sheer luck, I can give you one example. There are so many people talk about a Japanese trader. He made from 1 lakh to 1000 crore. But you go and study. You just go to Google, type their name. You just go and study. And you will know the whole history. And this particular guy, he just out of 1 lakh, he made about 20 million. And from that 20 million, he made it to 100 million, which is only 5 times return in 15-20 years. Or 7-8 years, whatever it is. That's not a big deal. So this Japanese trader, somebody made an error trader. Because of that particular stock fell beyond the proportion, and there he shorted and he made about $20 million profit. But if you exclude that extraordinary income, then his returns was not really very fantastic. And I read a joke. A news reporter will meet a person. Sir, how you became so rich? Sir, what were you doing when you were at the age of 10? Oh, when I was at the age of 10, I was begging. When you were at 20, that time I was also begging only. So, what did you last year? Also begging. Last month also begging. Sir, until last month you were begging and now you are crorepati. Yeah, one of my auntie died and she did not have the child. So, she wrote all the properties in my name. Right? So, sometimes you take that 1 lakh factor out and their returns are normal only. They are not super normal returns. And then, I always say, if you want to cheat somebody, you have to stimulate his greediness. So, I can tell you, there are lots and lots of people are trying to cheat you. That is why they are trying to stimulate your greediness. Somebody show 400% return in 4 weeks in Twitter. Some people show 1 crore profit from 3 lakh in Excel sheet. Last week, you all know how people trolled me by posting my income tax return. And then I got annoyed and I just decided to open up everything. And I showed since my company incorporation, I showed all the profit and loss. Then I challenged. Now let me see how many people or how many trollers or how many people are going to show. And let me tell you, it is 1 week already. Not even a single person has shown his back office live report of profit and loss. And there was only one person who has shown his ITR. And I don't want to get into more details, but I can tell you, say for example, you take myself, I have a collateral income, I have a trading income, I have a training income, I have a YouTube income, and I have a PMS income. And I have 7 or 8 sources of income. And then by looking at the ITR, how do you know that how much I made through the trading? In fact, the people who trolled me, they showed only the F&O loss. But in that particular year, and I have declared profit only. My other sources of income are also there. So, by showing ITR, you cannot understand anything. I know one guy in Chennai, believe me, he has collected more than 1000 crore from the public and put all the money in his account and he is trading. And naturally his profit will be very high and his income tax will also be very high. And after that, whatever profit he gets he distributes it. So this guy, if you are from Tamil Nadu, you should know. And there are many people know. This is a very, very open secret. And now this guy is under SEBI investigation also. I don't want to name the person. More than 1000 crore collected. So who knows? This particular guy might have collected money from so many of his friends and must be trading in his account. So I'm not going into the detail. First thing is that you try to understand that I'm not saying that other people don't make money. Being an option seller myself, how can I say another option seller is not making money? 100%, I'm sure that the other people are making money. I'm talking about option sellers. They are making money. I'm not saying that they are not making money. But what we are against, that people showing abnormal returns. There was one guy who say with the 3 lakh rupees, he made 9 lakh rupees in 1 month. How is that possible? He say, I trade 20 lots. With the 3 lakh rupees, no matter what you do, you cannot trade in 20 lots. Because the minimum exposure margin per lot is 20,000 rupees until last month. And after that, whatever is the maximum risk, that has to be paid in terms of span margin. So this is clearly people are trying to cheat you. Now, whether they are cheating or not, we will wait. We have time. Let us see where these people after 5 years. After 5 years, you come and see these people will still be making 300% and 500% return in 1 month. But you ask them, where is that money? You will not have a reply. At least I will appreciate that one guy, at least he has put his ITR. Whereas all other traders, all other heroes, they are not traders, they are all heroes. They have not shown anything in their life, right? And then many people say that, sir, you are also showing high profit. Now let me tell you, I show high profit, but I do not show high percentage of returns because my capital is very good. And I never promise that people can make 400% return, 500% return per month. And you can check with any of my workshop participants. The first thing is that we tell people, do not come to our workshop if you have less than 25 lakh rupees capital. Second thing we tell, we don't teach holy grail formula. There is a possibility of loss. The third one is that, and if you follow our system, the first thing is that I don't have a system. You check with my workshop participants, no system. I don't teach any system. And people say successful people don't do different things, but they do things differently. I am not a scientist. I did not discover anything, and I did not invent anything. Whatever other people doing, we are doing the same thing only. Simple strategies only we do. But in every simple strategy, we have certain tricks. That's what I said. Successful people don't do different things, but they do things differently. So we do things differently. And most of my workshop participants, they are making anywhere from 30 to 50% return per annum. And of course, subject to market risk. So we never mislead anybody. To summarize, don't be greedy. The moment you are greedy, the people try to stimulate your greediness in order to cheat you. If anybody is making 500%, 1000% per annum per month return, come to me and I got a lot of money. You make me 1% per day for me, and the remaining money you keep it. So let me see how many people take up this offer. But however, the condition is that if the loss comes, it should be yours. So be practical and listen to the good people. And if you want to listen to the good people, first understand who are the good people and who are the bad people. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.